Welcome to Mission Forex, but before we start, join our new free group on the Telegram. We share free analysis every day. Alright guys, this was an operation that I did a few days ago. It was an operation to sell. This operation was a rupture of the line and with a tendency to complete the third wave. So, for this operation I used only trend lines and confluence points. This strategy I always use in 1 hour and 4 hours. For me the accuracy is much greater. I always look for points where the chart is tested several times because this is a strong point. You have to pay attention because the chart will always find a point where it has been before. My entry was in this line break. My analysis was in 4 hours, but the entry was in 15 minutes. Alright guys, don't forget to join our free group on the Telegram.